Good morning. Today I'm back with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and we are on day 28, and it is the sketch right here is by Shala Gayle Knowles, and it has a horizontal piece up here, or one that's cut, not horizontal, it's cut diagonal, and another piece diagonal down here, or maybe that's actually flat and this is cut diagonal, I'm not sure, but I am cutting these ones diagonal. And then she has matting around this and around this, well, like a little piece here and here. I won't be doing that just because I'm doing actually a 2-page out of this, and because I have lots of pictures on what I'm going to use. And actually I had a hard time finding where I had horizontal and horizontal and vertical photos, but I had these ones laying out that I thought, oh, I could do that and just make it a 2-page. And so I am using papers from Simple Stories Homegrown, or maybe stickers. I guess stickers. I'm using stickers from Farmhouse Market by Echo Park, I think. Nope, Carta. And also Farmhouse Summer. I'm using paper from that and some stickers from that. So and there might have been, I think I also used one from Farmhouse Kitchen. So I kind of used a lot of different things, but anyway, they all look good together. So I've already cut this, and what I did was measure how much I thought should be here, and I went to 2 1/4, I think. Nope, 2 1/2. And then I was going to use 1 1/2 here. Nope, 1 1/4. And so I put a mark here and a mark here, and then I cut them. And since I was doing 2 pages, I thought, well, I'll just do the same thing on the other one. Well, because of it being on the other side, I actually wanted the wide part to meet up against the wide part and the narrow part up against the narrow part. But, so I'm telling you this so you don't make the same mistake I did. So I just cut it again, doing the same thing I did before, but then it's like when you meet it up like this, it goes like this, it goes down. So that doesn't work. So I'm thinking, okay, I'll just put it down here. Nope, then you're at the wrong end. And when you get over here, again, you flip it over and the angle is wrong. So this would have had to been up here and the angle would have been wrong. So I had a piece left down from here that was just straight. So that's what I'm going to use on my second one. And so I'll just save these for something else. Yeah, it's like I should have flipped it over like this when I cut it, and then it would have been fine. Since I was cutting it the exact same way. So yeah, so pay close attention to that if you're gonna do a double page from it. Okay, so I'm putting this on, and I'll tell you, it took me a long time to decide what was gonna be diagonal, because I really liked these 2 papers together. I like yellows and golds with blues, and these are both from that Farmhouse Summer, and it's like I thought about putting wood, and it's like I ended up just, the 2 papers I started out with was the ones I end up liking the best, so that's what I have here. And I gotta flip this over too. Make sure I got it right up to the edge. So that is so far just like the sketch. And now everything from here, well, actually I have the arrangement like this. And when I first did it, I actually thought, well, this is what you seen first. And then we went into this place. So I was gonna put them like this, but then the way that everything else gets arranged, I liked it better this way. So I am going to do it this way. You probably, I know you see this first. You probably see this, I think, before you get up to this. It's been a while. I think it was 2005 that we went here. And it was an Amish restaurant and bakery. Beautiful, and farm, of course. So I am going to have that, oh, probably right around here. I'm trying to see a little bit of the color here, and I will just butt these up against each other. And you know, I like to mat everything, but the other page does not really have any room for matting and still be able to see the paper. So I thought I'm just not going to do it here either. And then I have this, you know how their farm just looks pristine. So I thought I'm going to use this white farm in this picture. And am I actually putting it here or here? Oh, I think I'm actually putting it there. And then I'm going to put this here. I forgot that I flipped it and probably didn't take a picture of it that way. Oh, I did. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do this. It can be up maybe just a little bit more. I think about there. I'm trying to get the same amount on each side. So I think probably about there will work. Yeah, it looks like it was June of 2005, and back then I used to develop my pictures right away because the little discs that you put the photos on, they were quite small, and I was gonna have a new my first grandbaby that year, so it's like, you know, I was always emptying that thing and then reloading it, or, you know, taking new pictures. Okay, I'm gonna come over just a little bit here, so it's kind of the same on each side. You think it'd be easy and I keep sticking it. Okay, I think about right there. I'm gonna have this other farmhouse up here, so I'm gonna have to move it down a little bit because I don't want it to run off the edge. Okay, I think that should do it because I'm gonna have that there. Okay. And I've already got tape on this. So I'll just put these two up next to each other. Okay, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Okay, is that where I want that one? I think that should be good. Okay, and then this is from the chipboard that I got it Tuesday morning, and I already used this one day because I was using the same collection for, I don't remember what I did, what I scrapbooked, but I'm going to put this here because I like the addition of the red, because on the inside they had red tablecloths, and the last time I had to use extra tape on this, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, and then I've got this that says Market Fresh Produce, except for it's actually Farm Fresh Produce, but I'm going to use this anyhow because I like the addition of the black on the page. Okay, and I'm going to make sure I have this centered. And let's see. That should be it right there. Okay, I think that's good there. And then I'm gonna put the little house right over. Oops, I'm always pulling off the wax paper with it, or leaving it on the picture. Okay, and now I am just going to overlap the little sign, and then I have this, I want to call them a swag, because back when we used to hang these in houses, it's like it was called a swag. And I'm just going to put this right down here, just to have some more color on the page, and more red. And then I am going to put enamel dots, but now I'm going to go on to the second page. And this one I've already got it taped down. I just used my 2 horizontal pieces that I had left that I hadn't cut. And these are 2 1/8. That's what you get left when you cut a full 12 pieces, like I did. Okay, so, oh, I forgot to put this on my other thing here. Okay, since this house is all white, I just could not believe how beautiful it was. I mean, it's amazing. I'm thinking of how my grandpa's farm, I'm sure it had peeling paint, and but it's like he was a dairy farm, so he had that one building that was pristine, but I don't remember seeing the rest of the place. Well, we didn't have, there wasn't concrete everywhere back then. Now they had concrete in places. Okay, so over here I am going to put this bakery sign, and I'm gonna have it overlap. This was the well, like here's the restaurant area, and when you looked up, you seen that it was all put together with pegs. Just beautiful. I mean, you know how the Amish just build beautifully. And so I took a picture of that. I didn't even hardly remember taking these pictures, but you know, it's like when I see them, it's like, oh yeah, I remember that. Okay, so I am going to put this just up here, because they were a bakery also, and I'm just gonna kind of draw attention to this beam work, and that's why I'm putting that there. And then I am going to put Amish Farm, because I don't remember the name of the place, and my in-laws have since passed away, so I can't ask them, but I think we might have been in where? I'm trying to think of the name of the place. I'll have to think of it here. Okay, so I'm gonna overlap part of it onto this picture of the horse. See, horses are my favorite part. It's like, besides, I'm sure they had wonderful food, but it's been a while, so I don't remember for sure. I mean, I'm sure they did, but we just hadn't gone back there. But I would like to go there again. It's beautiful. Okay, so I think I'm gonna place it like that. So I'm gonna start with this R. And put it right on the picture. Oh, just bent it. I think I need to turn it upside down so you can see what I'm doing here. So I have them staggered correctly, because I think once I put on this picture there won't be any moving it. Okay, I think that looks good. And this one just on the other side of the picture. And these were from which place? Oh, these were from Simple Stories Homegrown. So I'm putting that there, and then I will put this wreath right beside it. And then Amish, where do I want to put it right here? Oh, actually I better put a little glue, because if I end up going over that, I want to glue it down. Okay, that should do it. Okay. I think I'm gonna put it just starting right there. And I'll try not to come down on the picture. So maybe I'll start with the H. Slide back there. Got to talk to those letters. I love to see different font on a page, but I don't do it very often, but I really like it. So, how's that look? Okay, I think that's good. Oh, and it looks like my F is too high. Can I move it? That might be impossible. Okay, I can. Okay. It's still a little too high. Oh, it's because my A is crooked. Terry. Okay, I think that's better. Nope, now it's crooked the other way. This is why I normally don't do this on camera. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so, and then, where's my little dots here? Oh, there, right in front of my nose. Okay, I am putting a little black enamel dot right where the nail would be to hold this wreath up. So I'm sticking that there. Okay, and then I have from Sunflower, what's it called? The Sunflower Market. I've got a pie. And I think this is actually from the Farmhouse Summer. And I think the Gather Together's from Farmhouse Summer. I don't know, I was using all different kinds of embellishments, so trying to remember where they were from. I think this one is from the Farmhouse Kitchen. Okay, and I'm just gonna kind of just slightly put this up onto the photo. And I put it just a little bit more to the right than to the left because I'm gonna have a little bit more on the left. I've got this little picture that I'm gonna put here and overlap it. You know, I'm all about the overlapping. And then the pie, because if they had rhubarb pie, I know I had some, or if they had a pie that I thought was good, I would have for sure had it. And to gather together, because we were with family. Oh, I think it might have been Shipshewana or Napanee. That's what I'm thinking. Shipshewana, Indiana, or Napanee. Okay, and then I am just putting this little flower down here. And do I want it kind of tipped up towards the menu? No, I think I'm gonna put it right down here. Gotta have a little argument with myself. Okay, and then I am going to use some of these black enamel dots because I just like the little addition of the black to the layout. So I think that's good. I'm gonna put some up here, but I probably won't overlap the pictures with it. So where do I want to put them? Yeah, I just don't see putting them on the pictures. Maybe here. These are the ones I grouped together by color, and they're hard to get off because I taped the plastic down to the packaging. Okay, so that's that side. And then over here, where do I want enamel dots over here? I think I'm going to put a couple over here. I can get them to come off my fingernails. If I can get them off the package, it's the hardest part, I guess. So I'm happy to have another layout done for our scrapbooks because I don't do that very often. Usually it's grandkids. Okay, and I'm going to put a couple down here. Okay, I can't get that one off my nail. There we go. Okay, and then maybe a couple over here too. So I used a lot of enamel dots there. Okay, well, I guess I had to. That's what you get when you have a two-pager. I'm just put one over here and one over here. I kind of want them spread out, I guess. Okay, so that's my layout for today, and I will have close-ups at the end, and we're almost finished with this challenge. I love doing these because I do things that I would normally do. It's so much fun. Make sure you check out the other people that are also playing. And remember, one of them takes you to the YouTube and the other one just takes you to the Facebook where you can just look at the pictures individually. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.